In Norway, you can do everything from climb a glacier to windsurfing on the coast, along with whitewater kayaking, backbreaking, downhill cycling, and of course, road trip for days. The days are long and warm, while the nights are cool and short. If you go far enough north, the sun doesn't set at all, and you can experience the phenomenon known as the midnight sun. 12:30 in the morning. It's June the 11th, so it's almost the first day of summer, which is the longest day of the year. I haven't been sleeping the past 2 days just because it doesn't get dark. It's always light out. I mean, look at this. The sun just dips down low enough below the horizon where it's like a sunset for 2 hours straight, and then it pops right back up at about 2, maybe 1:45. Real strange, but kind of cool.